The company Izhlaser offers to supply machine tools for bending coils segments of auger. This equipment makes it possible to produce auger flange with the specific parameters from the blank coil of auger. The spiral of auger is widely used in the production of augers-transporters used for moving grain, food and chemical products, cement, agricultural machinery and equipment, augers of combine harvester, construction and drilling equipment, ice screws. In the manufacture of this equipment, modern CNC machine tools are used, which makes it possible to create machine tools in the shortest possible time with high performance and quality parameters. Cutting of details is carried out using the laser cutting machine tool metal. This technology allows clean, smooth contours of workpieces with accuracy of 0.1 mm. After assembling the main units, the parts are placed on the table of the portal machining milling center, where the boring of the seats takes place. Thanks to this operation, the ideal alignment of the parts to be joined is achieved. Without this procedure, it is impossible to obtain equipment that will last long and will produce high-quality products. Principle of work with the Dintek machine tool. In the program Compass 3D or SolidWorks creates a scan coil of auger. Then, using machine tool of a laser or plasma cutting, the workpieces are cut from the sheet of metal. In the next stage, the operator a press installs according to the instruction necessary punches in the matrix and selects the corresponding program of bending or enters the parameters manually. After placing the workpiece in the machine tool and press the control pedal, occurs the process bending coil of auger. Our company offers the following machine tools models. Dintek 30 allows to bend a coil of auger up 12 mm thick with a press force of 20 tons. Dintek 50 allows to bend a coil of auger up to 20 mm thick with a press force of 30 tons. Dintek 70 allows to bend a coil of auger up to 30 mm thick with a press force of 50 tons. The machine tools for bending coils segments of auger Dintek from the company Izhlaser is the choice for those who want to get machine tool in the shortest possible time with high performance and quality parameters.